In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a small group or an entire department, understanding how to create teams efficiently will streamline collaboration and ensure everyone is on the same page. Let's dive in. First, head over to Monday.com and locate your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. This is a great way to access many of Monday.com's features, customizing your experience or tweaking settings as needed. Next, click on Teams. This option is not just about viewing existing groups, but is the portal for you to manage and create new ones. Teams are designed to let you group team members who regularly work together on projects, making communication seamless and efficient. Once you're on the Teams page, you'll see an option to Add New Team. On clicking this, you open the gateway to forming a new group. This is a crucial step where you'll lay the groundwork for how your team will operate within Monday.com. Now, it's time to get creative. Type in the team name. Giving your team a unique name is important as it identifies the group's purpose and is a nod to its specific members. Think about using names that reflect the project at hand or the team's goals. After assigning a name, your next task is to add team members. You can do this simply by selecting individuals from your contacts. When adding members, consider their roles and who will benefit most from being part of this team. Inviting the right people enhances collaboration and ensures that tasks are shared effectively according to their skills and responsibilities. Once the team name is set and members are added, the final step is to hit Create. This button seals the deal, officially making the team active on your Monday.com platform. From here on, your team is ready to start assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and communicating all in one place. Remember, adjustments can be made later if you wish to add more members or change the team structure. Creating teams in Monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to organize projects, set clear goals, and empower your members to succeed. With teams set up, you can free yourself from the constant back and forth that comes with using multiple communication channels. Instead, focus on what's important, tracking progress, and achieving your project objectives. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to create teams in Monday.com. I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your workflows more efficiently. Don't forget, the key to efficient teamwork lies in clear communication and organized task management. Thanks for tuning in and happy team building.